They said, what number comes right before 100? What number comes right? How are you? How you doing? Yeah. How do you do? How you doing? Yeah, what's up? What's up? How you doing? Yeah, sure. Where are you chatting from? Where are you chatting from? Sure. Yeah, McLean. Oswana. Okay, that's good. Right to have you as friend. Right to have you. So mine is Nigeria. Chatting from Nigeria. So I have a question there, and the question is, what number comes right before 100? What number comes right before 100? Okay. So, what number? Chidubem, before, not after. Before, not after. Chidubem, divine. Not correct. You draw 8 centimeter. Okay, use 8 centimeter. Use 8 centimeter. And how did you construct your system? That's correct. That's correct. That's correct. Very, very correct. Okay, so I want to know how you got your 60 degrees. What did you use in getting 60 degrees?
My projector.
Oh, use.
And I set it on my paper.
No, sir. No, sir, that's not correct. You should tell me how you constructed angle 60 degrees. That's how you can go about. Tell me how you constructed angle 60. Then I can tell you, okay, what you did was correct. Now you didn't show how you. Oh yeah, do it here. Let me see. Do it here. So next question. Next question. Let me set another. Are you true? You have a question. Take your chair to the other side.
Should I do 97 National PM?
9:37 p.m. here. Mabo. 9 divided by half. Not correct. Not correct, Jimmy. Jimmy, are you answering the question now? The question is what is 5 divided by half? You can take any length. It mustn't be just open your compass, take any length. It mustn't be 8, it mustn't be 10, it mustn't be any length, just it. And you must not use your ruler to, except they give you the length of that thing. What's the answer? Five divided by half. Half. 5 divided by half. Let me see. What's this? 4 times. Is it 4 times 7 or 4 plus 7?
4 plus 7.
You don't plus. Whatever you are doing, you multiply. Multiply. You don't subtract. When you are dealing with what is under, you multiply. Okay. Yeah, you got it. Very, very correct. Jimmy, what level are you? As in, what class? What class are you? Sure, you're working now. You need to be working. What of other parameters? Yeah, 8. Okay. Okay. Do it now. Are you waiting for me? Don't wait for me now. Wow, that's correct. You got this last one. 5 divided by 5 divided by half is 10. Yes. 5 divided by half is 10. Okay. So next question. That's correct. That's correct. Take more time. This one, I want to really multiply more times by this one times this, that's 8. This times this one times this one times this. Okay. Okay, let me ask. Leave my submit. Now you. I want your work to be made. No. Eh? You said? No, don't do it together. The next one that you want to do, I'll share that you work inside it. Take 5. Then I'll not be okay with share. Yes, that's correct. You have to say, okay, you already got it, yeah, but we'll just say 3a squared is equal to 3 times a times a. Then 12a is 2 times 2 times 3 times a. Take 3 and take a. So your answer will be 3 times a, which is 3a. Okay. Right. Look for that English book. You didn't show me how you did your. This man, I don't like what you are doing. Okay. No, look for the other one. Okay, next question. Show me how you did your construction. Which is the first one? Which one is the first one now? How did you obtain it? How did you know? How did you know it is greater? How did you know it's greater? I need you to show how. See what you do. Where's your compass? Okay. I have my students with us, so I need to be alert. Okay. How did you know? Okay, the LCM method. That's correct. Nice one. Check the other card. Okay, let me use your book. See, is that yours? Go to chapter 12, go to chapter 5. You can do it. I can take. So, come here and cut. That place where you cut. That place where you cut. You join it together. You don't use protractor to form that angle. You use protractor to check your angle. You don't use it to form your angle. What's 60? See 60 on that. Okay. You get. So try and do it. What? Chapter 5. I said go to chapter 5. Is that chapter 5? I did say page 5. Go ahead and do your work now. It's my yard. Construct the 60 again. I want to see how you did the construction. Yes, I am. I'm not just a teacher, I own a school. I have my school. Yes, I have my school. And this is my private office. Yes. How many minutes? How many minutes are there in 2 hours? Yes, this place that I am, we do things to assist parents to. So I'm in my school. Because I'm teaching, I'm also teaching online so that more people can also benefit from my knowledge. Okay, I can teach masters, secondary school. Not correct. Not 60 minutes. Jimmy, you got it. Jimmy got it. Yes, Jimmy got it. 120. Yes, that's correct. Let me give you more difficult question. Yes, now. You have to. Oh, look for another thing now. Okay, let me give you more difficult question. I hope you are ready. Let me give you more difficult question. Okay, but not so difficult. It's something that you can do. X plus 10 is equal to 25. Find x. Find x. It's simple, right? Very simple. It's very simple. I know you can do it. Very simple. Grade 4. Yeah, this question is in grade 4. Yeah, it's grade 4. Now, let me give you hints. It means, what will you add to 10 to get 25? What will you add to 10 to get 25? Jimmy is always you won. Jimmy is always very high. Okay, Jimmy, are you ready? I have some question. Jimmy won this section, so I'll bring another quiz question for you. Yes, Jimmy won this section. Okay, let me bring another question. I hope you are ready. This question is 5, 10. Okay. 50 divided by half plus 12 is equal to all right, you are taking the form home. Okay, tomorrow I bring it. Okay, 50 divided by half plus 12 is what? 50 divided by half. Oh, don't worry, I'll bring your section. Don't worry. I'll set a section for you. Please do it to subscribe to my channel, please. I beg of you. That's the only way we can actually learn better. So not correct. It is not correct. No, it's not 37. Look at it critically. Look at it very well. It's not correct. Not 39. Not 39. Are you with calculator there? Is anybody there with calculator? Should we make it no calculator or phones? Okay, Christine, are you with calculator? Okay, then Jimmy won this one. It is actually 112 because 50 divided by half is 100, because half is 1/2. But if I say 50 divided by 2, it is 20, plus 12, it is 32. But 50 divided by half is 100, plus 12, it is 112. Jimmy won this section, so I give it to Jimmy. Let's go to, let me give you another question, technical question. Can we go to science? Okay, don't do the English. I'll give you assignment from there. You go and start the English. I'll come down to you. Okay. I couldn't complete the question because of the space given to me to type. So I couldn't complete the question. So this question is science. For Christine, that's correct. That is absolutely correct. Yes, that's correct. That's right. So when you practice more, you'll be able to, yeah. Okay, no problem. Please 1 minute. I'll come. Okay, this one. Anyone, this one is also better. You don't write too much on the paper. Are you getting me? So, okay. Next question. How many bones are in the human body? How many bones are in the human body? How many bones are in the human? No. Not correct. Not correct. Jimmy is not correct. That question is wrong. 14. No, not 14. Not 14. It is not 14. It is not 14. It's not 261. Try more. Try. It's around that 2 something, 200 or something. But Christine, the answer is around 200 plus. What's your name again? Are you doing the work? With the English? Yes, now I said 2 of you, chapter 5. 214. No. 214. No, not correct. Not 214. Okay, let me give you one. Okay, go and ask your brother or your parents how many bones are in the human body. Yeah, I've given you a clue that it is 200 plus. No use of phone, no phone. So go and ask a brother or a friend close by or your parents, go and ask. No phone is allowed. No phone is allowed. No, it is not up to that. Okay, you are meant to read this question and answer the comprehension. To should I give the answer to the question? It is not 270, it is not 265. Anybody with the answer? How many bones are in the human body? Eh? Yeah, try. You got it, sweet. Good. Somebody has gotten it here. One of my students, very sharp girl. She has gotten it. She has gotten it. So, yes, yeah. They say you should come and answer it. They say you should answer it.
260.
200. 206. So the answer is 206. 206. You can type it. 206. These are my students I take to. We are doing the work together. 206. 206. I hope you're learning. We have 206 bones in the human body. 206 bones. Should I give more science question or I should go to English? Science or English? Okay, let me go to English. Okay, English. Okay. What is the silent letter in the word cheetah? Silent letter in the word. Put your answer in capital letter. Give me your answer in capital letter. Yes, Kristen got this answer correctly. So she's the fastest to get this answer. So this one is off. Let me go to the next question. The next question is, what is the synonym of velocity? What is the synonym of velocity? So, what is the synonym of velocity? I didn't ask you for the other name. I'm asking for the synonym of velocity. Synonym. That is nearest in meaning. Yes. Welcome back, Christine. Nearest in meaning. What is the nearest in meaning for the word velocity? What is the nearest in meaning for the word velocity? If you know it, synonym for the word velocity. What's the synonym? Now, very, 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 very correct. Very correct. Very correct. Though in physics, the word cannot be accepted because one is a scalar, the other one is a vector. Velocity is a vector quantity, while speed is a scalar. In English, both can be used interchangeably. Both can be used, either of them can be used in a sentence. Okay, so now let me, Jimmy got this answer correctly. Let me drop another one. Let me drop another one. Similar question. Did you take your time to read it? Is it part of the question? Oh, yeah. Is it another thing? You are getting your answer from the... Okay. Now the question is, what is the antonym of velocity? Antonym is opposite. Antonym is opposite in meaning. Ori is correct. If it's for English, Ori is very correct. For velocity, Ori is correct. Jimmy, but I need the very close answer to velocity. I need a very close answer that are very close to velocity. Slowness. Okay. Slow. I need a very perfect answer that is related to science. Slowness can also be considered to be velocity, but a velocity that is very low. Yes, I can call velocity motion. I can also call velocity motion, right? In English, I can call it motion. But when a body is moving, you can call it velocity or speed or motion, that is change in position. But the opposite of slow motion is a slow motion. Okay, when a body is not moving, what is it called? When a body is not moving, what is it called? Right? What is it called? When a body is not moving, what is it called? Still. That is correct. So the opposite, yeah. Embedded is something that is inside, something that is, you can say this let me use an example. This book is embedded with so much synonyms that it contains a lot of Ace power. My dog died. Sorry for that. Sorry. Okay. Stillness is correct. Still is correct. Another word you can use is stationary. 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 So that's stationary. You can use it. Okay. The rest is also correct. Rest is correct. Okay. Should we continue with the English or we go to another subject? Yes, rest. Should we continue with the English or go to another? Should we continue? Yes, okay, let's continue. I have more questions to give. Okay. The question is, what is the past participle verb for the word bed? What is the past participle verb for bed? What is the past participle verb for bed? Yeah, welcome. Immobile. Immobile is very correct. Immobile. Yes, immobile can be used. Remember, these words are used in context based on the sentence. They are used based on the sentence. Okay? So, immobile is correct. Stillness is correct. Stationary is correct. Slowness is correct. It depends on the context used in a no. Beds is not the right answer. Beds is not the right answer. Correct. Julius, that is correct. That is correct. That answer is correct. Bet is bet. Whether past or past participle, bet is bet. That is correct. Yes. Christine, I hope you're taking note of it. Okay, so let me set another question for you. Let me set another question. So, the next one, what is the plural of mother-in-law? Mother-in-law. What is the plural of mother-in-law? That is correct. Mothers-in-law. That is correct. Who got this first? Christy is Breaking Bands. Oh, you learned it. Yeah, that's correct. Okay. My mom. Yeah, Christy, you're actually breaking bands. You are trying. I see. So let me Let me bring more questions. Okay, now let me give you more question. Yeah, I do.
You see, offense which the man committed something.
The offense.
Crazy.
Are you asking me? You should know what to put so that I mark it.
Small thing.
Let me see. Times question. Wow, Christy is wow. Christy. No, arm is not the right answer. We or us. Okay, I'll mark it. I'll mark it now. Okay. I won't ask you are testing. Tell these people to this hairdresser to give you water. They are owing me 100 naira so that they give you water. 100 naira. Us is not really accepted. Why? Because I is a subject. I is a subject, while us is an object in a sentence. In a sentence, we have the subject, we have the object, the subject, the verb, and the object. So we can only be used as a subject. I is a subject. We is what? Is a subject. Are you getting me? So we is the right answer to put in this context. Right? I hope you guys are clapping for me. Please clap for me. clap for me. Clap for me. Okay. Let me drop in another question. I'll drop in another question. I want us to really learn more on English. Okay. Now the next question is, what is the plural of
Can I take one?
yes?
Can you take all of that?
Yeah. Please, David, this platform is not for that. This platform is not for that. So please do well to stop it. Do well to stop it. Please do well to stop it. I have, yes, please do it to stop it. This platform is for serious minded Julius. I'll ban him, but let me just pass the message to him that this platform is for serious people. Women doctor women. Thank you. Please, I really appreciate if you join the class instead of spamming such thing. Okay, please, I'm not interested. I'm here for my students, and please, I'll report to you. Okay. Are you sure? Alright. Okay. Thank you, Julius. I really appreciate. I didn't want to block him because I wanted him to also learn from what we are doing here. Okay. So thank you so much. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. So let us go. I don't know who mentioned women doctors. Women doctors is correct. Women doctors is correct. So let's go to the next question. Okay. Let's go to the next question. The next one is okay, that's correct. Now, what is the plural of runner up? Runner up. Christy, I am saying, Christy, how are you getting this answer so fast? How are you getting the answer so fast? Please, let's ignore David. Let's ignore David. Let's focus on what we are doing here, right? Your brain. That's correct. Runners up. Runners up. Runners up is absolutely the right answer. Okay. Let's get. Should we go to another topic? Should we go to another topic? I want you guys to suggest. Should we go to another topic? Don't wash what I'm making. Okay, let's go back to mathematics. Let's go back to mathematics. Sharp star. Jimmy, don't worry. There are questions here that you can do. Okay. I'm willing to set math question. Okay. The question is what is the square root of root 81? I hope you'll be able to answer this one. This one is so tough. What's called a human calculator? That's nice. So here's the question. What? Not correct. No, 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 no. Not correct. No, 9 is not the answer. Wow. Julius, how did you get the answer? Julius got the answer correctly. Julius got the answer. Julius got the answer correctly. Julius is absolutely right in this answer. I want Julius to explain how he got the answer. You should type it in the comment section. Julius, explain how you got your answer. Julius got the answer correctly, but I want him to explain to us how he got the answer. Julius, do your best to explain how you got your answer correctly. Simphy. Motivation station. No. The real question is the square root of the square root of root 81. I want to give you assignments. See that, bring your maths. I need you to work on your mathematics. Okay. So when you come, Simphy, it is not 9. It is not 9. Where did you go? Open the place where you stop at. Yes, the real question is square root of root 81. This is the, guys, look at the real question there. So when you take the square root of the first one, you get 9. Take the square root of the second one, you get 3. Where did you stop at today?
Stop at number 35.
You continue from there to 20. Tomorrow I'll teach you how to do complex numbers. Are you getting it? It's very simple, but you need somebody to explain to you. Okay. You will go with others. Take more 15 questions to do. Okay, let's go to another question. Yes, Jimmy is 3. It's actually 3. Let's go to another question. Okay, more question right here. Okay, so the question is, if Question 120. Question 120. Sorry guys, let me quickly get the question from here. So please guys, do it to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I have a question here. You say, what is the sum of 130 plus 125 plus? I really appreciate you guys. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. More of this will be coming subsequently. You know, let me engage some of my people here, and I'm also using the medium to support my own students. So okay, what is the sum of 130 plus 125 plus 192? I got an answer which is 447. 447. 130 plus Jimmy got the answer correctly. The answer is actually 447. 447. Jimmy got the answer. Oh, all right, thanks so much. I really appreciate Yoshi, you promised to take me French and Chinese. You promised to take us Chinese. Maybe one of these days we'll put you on live so that you take us Chinese. Right? Thank you, Yoshi. I really appreciate your... Jimmy, you got this answer correctly, and you deserve an accolade. Jimmy, you want to speak French? Or you know how to speak French? So let me drop another question. Jimmy got this answer correctly. Let's go to another question. The question is okay, the question is 110 divided by the reciprocal of 10 is 110 divided by the reciprocal of 10 is 110 divided by the reciprocal of 10 is, what is 110 divided by the reciprocal of 10? Got it. Let's try our best. What is 110 divided by the reciprocal of 10? I want to see the fastest finger. The fastest finger on this question. Fastest finger. 110 divided by the reciprocal of 10. Julius, that's not correct. That's not correct. Missed this one. The question is, what is wow. Curfews. That is the perfect answer. Yes, Jimmy, that answer is correct, but Curfews got the answer first. Please, can you explain how you got 1,100? Please explain how you got the answer. Sam, you're welcome. Christine clapping for us. So please, Curfew, explain how you got the answer so that we can learn from here. Or Jimmy, do you want to explain? Please explain why I set the next question. Let me set the next question. Okay, Jimmy, explain why I set the question. Explain how you got the answer. Let me set the next question. So, the question is, okay, if we minus 712 from 1,500, how much do we get? How much do we get? How much do we get? Okay, since the reciprocal of 10 is 1 all over 10, I divide by 1 all over 10. Jimmy, you are a smart guy. You're a smart guy. I give you this accolade. You're a smart guy. That's correct. Okay, you all are very, very smart. But this explanation is absolute, is the right answer. Thank you. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Since the reciprocal of 10 is 1 all over 10, so I divided 110 by 1 all over 10. So that is the correct answer. 1,499. You have to subtract 712 from 1,500. That answer, Christine, that answer is not correct. The answer you drop is not correct. Jimmy is correct. Jimmy is correct. 788. That is the correct answer. 788. Okay, I see. The answer is 788. Okay, next question. Before we go to another topic, let's get next question. The question is 300 minus okay, the question is 300 minus, in brackets, 150 times 2. 300 minus 150 times 2 in brackets. What is the answer? What is the answer? Christine, what is happening? What happened? Why the surprise? Christine, Jimmy is correct. Jimmy is correct. The answer, Christy, that's correct. Because what you have in the bracket, yes. 22,500. No? Yes, that's the perfect answer. 300 minus 300. Yes. Voiding, that is not correct. 22,500 is wrong. Is wrong. Okay, now let me drop another question. I want to see how far so what is the next prime number after 5? What is the next prime number after 5? Yes, that is correct. That is correct. 7 is the correct answer. 7 is the correct answer. Okay, let me quickly drop one. What is the value of pi? What is the value of pi? Give me in terms of decimal to 3 significant figure. Monica, that's not the correct. That's not the right symbol. That not. Are you using comma or full stop? I'm seeing comma 3,14. No. Not 27. It is not 27. Are you using comma or oh, you just entered grade 6? Grade 6. Okay, no problem. 3.142. Crazy tech guy. 3.14. 3 significant figure. 3.14. 3.14. That is absolutely the right answer. Okay, let's get some more difficult question. What is the smallest 4-digit number? What is the smallest 4-digit number? The smallest 4-digit number. Christy. That is correct. Christy. Jimmy is not 0, 1, 2, 4. I mean number, whole number. Smallest 4-digit whole number. It is 3.14. Yes. 3. Okay, now what is the Christy got this answer correctly. What is the highest 4-digit number? The highest 4-digit number. The highest 4-digit number. Christy got that answer correctly. Yes, 9,999. That is correct. Crazy Tech, that is perfect. Chrissy, you got it. Yoshi, that is correct. That is so correct. Let's go to the next question. Now, the question is what is the cube of no calculator. What is the cube root of 1331? The cube root of 1331. What is the cube root of 1331? No calculator, Yoshi, no calculator. There'll be no calculator in this rank. Christy, try. 19, no. 19, no. Monica, that is correct. 11 is the actual answer. 11 is the correct answer. Jimmy, that's the correct answer. Jimmy, that is the correct answer. That is the correct answer. So let me drop. Should we go to science? Go to current affairs? Should we go to science? Please, just the subject that you want us to go into. Good. Okay, let's look at science. Okay, let's look at science. Then the question is, what is the chemical symbol for sodium? What is the chemical symbol for sodium? Wow! Na. You guys are so smart. Oh, then let's go to chemistry. Let me give you more on let me give you more question on that. The question is, what is the molecular mass? Sorry, for water. The question is for water, not for what. Sorry for the typo error. What is the molecular mass for water? I'm sorry for the typo error. What is the molecular mass for water? What is the molecular mass for water? Yes, Monica got this answer. I want Monica to explain how she got 18, because the answer is 18. 18. Jimmy, if you can explain how you got 18. Christine, the answer is 18. because water is H2O. Monica, can you please explain to us how you got 18? How you got 18? Okay. Julius, if you can explain. Okay, 2 hydrogen plus 1 oxygen, which is 16, will give us 18. Let's clap for Monica. Let's clap for Monica. Crazy Tech, that is correct. Let's clap for Monica. Please, let's give Monica the clap. Let's clap for Monica. Okay, let's go to more question. More question. What is the chemical formula for sulfuric acid? The chemical formula for sulfuric acid. Crazy Tech. H2SO4. That is the correct answer. H2SO4. That is the correct answer. That is the correct answer. H2SO4. Absolutely correct. H2SO4. Okay, now I want to ask the question, what is the oxidation state of sulfur in sulfuric acid? What is the oxidation state of sulfur in sulfuric acid? Hello guys, just give me some moments. I want to answer a call. Guys, you guys are leaving me. Sorry, I just have to answer a call. Oh, Jimmy and Christy, please, I really appreciate you guys. +6 is correct. +6. The oxidation state of sulfuric acid is +6. That is absolutely correct. Oh, no problem. Oh, Monica, there's room for us to learn English together. There's room for us to learn English. No problem. With this platform, you can also learn English. You see the write-up, you also hear from us as well. Okay, there's no problem. I really appreciate your time being here. So let's go to more questions. More questions on chemistry. More questions on chemistry. So the question is, what is the chemical symbol for iron? What is the chemical symbol for iron? What is the chemical symbol for iron? Wow, Fe. Wow, Fe. That is correct. Okay, I'm going to get some of the, I see that more science students are in this platform, that are on this platform. I want to ask you a question. I'll put it down. Oh, all right, Jimmy, thanks so much. I really appreciate. Please do well to subscribe to my channel. Magnetism. True or false? Magnetism is one of the properties of metal. True or false? Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Please, let's clap for Jimmy for participating in this quiz question. Monica is very correct. Monica is very correct. Now let's take a look at mercury. Mercury is a metal, but mercury does not magnetize. Aluminium also does not magnetize. So magnetism is not a must property of metals. Magnetism is not. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you. Magnetism is not. So when you list at the properties of metal, you discover that magnetism is not part of it. For most metals to be magnetized, they must pass through the process of magnetization. Do you get? So maybe through electrical method, through contact method, or through double contact method. Right? Yeah, yes, Monica, thank you so much. I really appreciate the. Okay, our next question. Let's go to the next question. So what the question is, what do we mean when we say a metal is malleable? What do we mean when we say a metal is malleable? What do we mean when we say a metal is malleable? Can be bent or hammered into a sheet. Tech guys, that is correct. That is absolutely the correct answer. Malleability means that a metal can be hammered or bent into a sheet. So now yes, that means it means that all metals can undergo what? malleability is one of the properties of metal. So this malleability is one of the properties of metal, all metals. Okay, so yes, tech guy, that is correct. Monica, you're also correct. Now let's get another question. What do we mean by law? Mean by A, loss. Okay, what do we mean okay, sorry for the delay. I'm just trying to put the question together. What do we mean by metal is sonorous? What do we mean by a metal is sonorous? What do we mean by a metal is sonorous? What do we mean by a metal is sonorous? I never heard this. Okay. So let me explain. When you hit a metal, just take a metal. When you hit a metal, it produces sound. So now when we say a metal is sonorous, it means that it has ability to produce sound. S-O-U-N-D. Sonorous. It has the ability to produce sound. I hope you get that correctly. Yes, it has ability to produce sound. Okay, a metal is sonorous because it has the ability to produce sound. Okay. So let's get more question before. Melodic waves, that's correct. That is also sound. Yes, melodic wave. Okay, that's also sound. Let's get more question. So So this question is, give one example of electromagnetic wave. Give one example of electromagnetic wave. Give one example of electromagnetic wave. They also call it an EM wave. An EM wave. Radio wave. I need more. X-ray, correct. X-ray is correct. Radio wave. I need more. I need more. I need more. I need more. X-ray is correct. Julius got this correct. Crazy Tech got it correct. More electromagnetic wave. More. I need more people to participate in this because it is very microwave. 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 There's one very common one. Earth magnetism. Light perhaps. Yes, light wave is correct. Light wave. Monica, magnetism is not an EM wave. Magnetism. Crazy Tech, you can also call it the visible light. Visible light. I need the fastest. There's one that is the infrared. That's correct. Infrared is correct. Infrared is correct. Infrared is correct. Infrared is correct. Perfect. It is a perfect answer. Infrared is correct. Ultraviolet. Another perfect answer. Ultraviolet. There's one that has not been mentioned. There's one we've not mentioned. I need that one to be mentioned. Okay, let me mention it. It is called gamma ray. Gamma ray. Personal charm. This is not black magic. all right guys, I really got to go. I appreciate your time. Please do do well to subscribe to my channel. Tomorrow is another day. I'll come with exciting questions for us to answer, and maybe when God blesses us, we'll do get a TV, a more bigger platform for us to to participate in this quiz question. I really appreciate you guys. We'll see you tomorrow. One love. Thank you so much. Thank you. Crazy Tech, thank you so much. I really appreciate. I'll call tomorrow with exciting questions. Okay, see you tomorrow.